So for today's project, my goal is to change these garage door roller. These rollers are pretty old and they could use some refresh. What I'm gonna do is, it sounds like it's pretty simple. I will need to use a plier and pry this thing open. Hold on. Pry this portion open and then pry the roller out, remove it, exchange it. For all of them, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 of them on one door and another 12, so that's 24. How many of these do I have on this one? Ooh, it's only about like 20. That means 2 of them is gonna be used. But yeah, let's get it done. One technique to change these rollers is to remove these bolts. So that way you can remove the bracket out and then remove the roller. But the difficult part is with this one right here, there's a loaded string. See that string right there? Right there. If you remove that, that loaded string will shoot the bracket off. So you have to release the pressure before you can remove the bracket. I may just leave that one alone and instead change all these. Let's see how loud my garage door is. It's actually not too bad, but I'm gonna change the roller anyways. So my step is I'm gonna bend this little portion of the rail out so I can pull the roller out and then just bend it back. Should be very easy. And I'm gonna change this. So this is the difference versus this one. Now I just got to do it on this one. Now I have to bend this track back in. And then beat it back in. All right, let's see if it sounds any better. Oh my god, so much better. Ooh, yeah.